Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a very quick overview of the multi-vendor app and the web admin panel we're going to be building throughout this course. And we're going to be using Flutter Firebase. And in order to make our code more efficient, we are going to be using state management with provider. Okay. Now, when a user first visits our app, this is going to be the first screen the user is going to see. And the user can choose to create a customer's account or a vendor's account. And for the vendor, the user can choose to create the account based on their email and password, or they can choose to sign in with Google, or they can choose to sign in with their phone number. Seems really cool, right? And over here, we have the web admin panel to manage all our registered vendors, that is to either approve or reject new users. We also do have the buyer section over here to manage all our buyers. And currently we have just one buyer. You can see we have the address, the email of that buyer, and the full name of that buyer. And also vendors are going to be able to withdraw their earnings. You can see we have the withdraw request over here. And also we have this manage order sections. We can choose to reject orders, and we also do have the address of the user. And over here, we can upload new categories. You can see for now, we have just up to 6 categories. And also we can upload new banners from the admin panel. And also we have this manage product sections. We can choose to reject and approve new products. And over here we have our Firebase to store all our data. You can see over here we have the buyers collection. We have the categories collection to store all our uploaded categories. And we also do have the banners to store all our banners. We have the orders collection. We have the products collection to store all our products. We have all the vendors collection to store all our registered vendors. And also we have this withdrawal section to store all our withdrawal requests. Okay. And first of all, I'm just going to go back. Then I'm going to create an account for the vendor. Okay. Now it's asking for the email. The email address is going to be Sonia, Sonia Store, Sonia Store 1 at gmail.com. And the password is going to be BEEJAYMAC. And you can see it's asking for the confirm password. This is going to be BEEJAYMAC. Okay. And now I'm going to click on register. And currently the account is being created for Sonia Store 1 at gmail.com. Okay, and now it is asking for the full detail of that store. It's asking for the store logo. So I'm just going to click on this to pick a store image, and I'm just going to pick this as my store logo. And now it is asking for the business name. For the business name, I'm going to call this Sonia, Sonia, Sonia Store. Sonia Store. I'm just going to give some space. Sonia, then Store. And it is asking for, sorry, store. It is asking for the phone number. This is going to be this. And now it is asking for the email address. The email address is Sonia Store, then 1 at gmail.com. And over here, it is asking if that store has registered task. And we can click on this to select either yes or no. And I'm going to select yes. And now it is asking for the tax number. So I'm just going to type something over here. and it is asking for the pin code also. And now it is asking for the country of that vendor. So I'm going to pick Algeria, and it is asking now to choose a state, and I'm going to pick this. And now it is asking to choose a city. I'm just going to click on this now to choose a city. Okay. And now I can click on register, and currently you can see the account is being created. The account is currently being created, and currently it has been successfully created. And in order for the vendor to start uploading and managing products, they need to be approved by the web admin user. And currently, I'm acting as the web admin user. So what I have to do is to go to the vendor's management section. And over here, we have our store image, we have our business name, we have the city, we have the state. And now I'm just going to scroll down in search of that newly created vendor. And you can see we have this vendor over here. You can see the store image of the vendor, the business name of the vendor. We have the city of the vendor, and also we have the state of the vendor. And also, the vendor can choose to sign out and maybe sign in later to check if they have been approved or not. And now I'm just going to click on approved and go check it back. It's going to take us to a new screen. And you can see it took us to the screen. And over here, we have this test which says, Hi, Sonia store. And we have the store image displayed over here. Do not worry, you're going to know how to do all this. And also, Sonia has made no money. So currently you can see zero. And the reason for this is because Sonia has received no order. And so Sonia cannot withdraw any money. And also we have this upload section. Sonia can choose to upload new products. We have this general. You can see we have this enter product name, enter product price, enter product quantity, select category. And one powerful thing about this app is it is fully dynamic. All these categories you're seeing over here are coming from the web admin panel. And also we are using our Firebase database to save all our uploaded categories. So we can choose to upload as many categories as we wish. You can see currently we have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 categories. And you can see over here, they are being displayed over here. So we can choose to pick or choose any of these categories. And also you can see we have the schedule date. We can choose to schedule the delivering date of this product. And you can see it got displayed over there. Seems really cool. Seems cool, right? You're gonna know how to do all this, do not worry. And also we have this shipping section. We can choose to select a shipping charge. You can see over here, we can click on this in order to not charge for shipping. And also we can click on this to charge for shipping as well. And also we can say maybe 10 or $100 or 10%. And also we have this attributes section. We can choose to add a brand name for that products we are uploading. We can also choose to select a size. Maybe we can say we have the small and click on this. And also you can see we have this test which says this button which says save. We can click on this and you can see now saved. And also we have this image section. We can choose to upload multiple product images. We can choose this, and also we can choose this and go back to this and come back to this. You can see it is written. You're gonna know how to do all this, do not worry. And also you can see it is written. You can see we still have the delivery date over here, and also we do have the product image over here. And you can see we also do have the shipping charge over here. We also do have the attribute over here. We can choose also maybe large and click on this, and it is asking us to save now. Okay, seems cool. And it's gonna be stored within the provider. Do not worry, you're still gonna know how to do all this. And also we can edit and we can publish and unpublish product, and also we can edit our product name, edit the product quantity, and whatsoever. And you can see currently the vendor is yet to publish any product. You can see no product published yet. And also the vendor is yet to unpublish any product. And also you can see we have this order screen, and currently the vendor has not received any order. And also the vendor can choose to sign out. And also you can see the vendor has not made any sales yet. Currently zero, and total order is zero. And over here we can just upload a new product now. You can see over here it is asking for the product name, and for this is gonna be, I'm just gonna upload a laptop. This is gonna be Dell. The product name is gonna be Dell laptop. And now it is asking for the product price, and I'm just gonna say this will cost $30.99, and the quantity is basically referring to how many items of this product we have. And I can say I have 5 of this laptop for sale. And also it is asking me to choose a category, and this is basically laptops, right? And it is asking for the product description, and this is for test. So I'm just going to type something gibberish, okay? And also it is asking for the date the product is going to be delivered. And I can click on the schedule date, and I want that product to be delivered 22 of December. And you can see we have that date displayed over here, 22/12/2022. And also I can charge for shipping. Shipping is going to be $10. And also it is asking for the attributes, and it is asking for the brand. This is going to be maybe Dell brand or whatsoever brand. And it is asking for the size of the laptop. I'm just going to say this is small, and add maybe large also. And I have to click on save, and this is going to be stored within the provider. Do not worry, you're going to know how to do all this. And now we can pick the product images. And I'm going to click on this, and it's going to open the gallery, and I'm going to pick this over here and click on it again, pick this, and click on it again, pick this, and click on it again, and pick this. Seems really, really cool. And I'm just going to make sure all our fields are filled in. Dell laptop, $30, 5 laptops, product description, delivery date. Okay, shipping charge is $10, attributes Dell, and the size is small and large. Images. And first of all, I'm just going to upload these images to our provider. Click on upload, and you can see currently the image is being uploaded. It's going to take some time, and it is done. Seems good. And now I can click on this to upload the product. Okay, it is done. So easy. And I'm going to go to this now to see. You can see currently the product is unpublished default, and we can choose to slide this way to either delete this product or published. And I'm just going to click on this to publish. And come to this now, you can see the product has been published. And also we can choose to unpublish this product from the marketplace. And you can see it has been unpublished and publish again. Seems good. And also I can click on this to edit the product. And you can see the name got passed over here. You're going to know how to do all this, do not worry. And now instead of Dell laptop, I'm just going to say Dell, and click on update. You can see now updating, and come back, and you can see now we have this Dell. We can choose to update the price also and whatsoever field we want to update. Seems really cool. And within the web admin panel, then the products management section, you can see we have a new product over here. Okay, seems good. And you can see we have the product image, we have the product name, we have the product price, the product quantity, and also within our Firebase database, then the products collection, we should have a new product saved over here. Okay, you can see it over here. Dell category is laptops, and charge shipping is set to true, and the shipping charge is 10. Shipping charge, you can see it over there, is 10, and the sales price is $30.99. The quantity is 5, and the product name is Dell. Seems cool. And also you can see we have our size over here. We have a small and large size. Seems really cool. And also we have the vendor ID. Seems really nice. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna log out from this account and then create a customer account, then order for this product. Okay, log out and log out and create customers account. And first of all, I'm just gonna pick an image from my gallery, and I'm just gonna pick this image over here. And this is gonna be called test123 at gmail.com. And for the full name, this is gonna be Macaulay. Macaulay. And the phone number is gonna be this, and the password is gonna be BEEJAYMAC. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on register. Okay, you can see now the account is currently being created, and we just have to wait till it finishes. Okay, seems good. You can see congratulations, account has been created for you. And now we can log in. The email address is test123 at gmail.com, and the password is BEEJAYMAC, and login. Wait for this. Seems really cool. And again, this banner you seen over here are all coming from the web admin panel. You can see over here within the upload banner section, you can see we have all these banners, and they are all coming from the web admin panel. We can choose to upload a new banner image by clicking on this upload. Then it's gonna take us to our, just gonna click on this for you to see, and you can see it's trying to open our file, and it's gonna show you this quickly. Okay, and I can just upload a laptop. Okay, this I'm just gonna upload maybe this. Okay, or this, or this should be okay. This is basically for test. And you can see currently we do not have any of such over here, and click on save, and you can see now it is being uploaded, so we just have to wait. You can see everything is working dynamically, and I'm just gonna, and over here we have the categories. You're gonna see this shortly, and I'm gonna scroll this way in order to show you that banner. You can see we have that banner twice, and Black Friday seems good, and this, okay, and this, the next should be Concombar. Okay, this now seems good, and this now, okay, you can see we have that laptop uploaded there. So everything is working dynamically. We can also choose to upload as many banners as we wish, and also as many categories as we wish. You can see also we have the categories over here. You can see this, and we can choose to upload as many categories as we want by clicking on this. And Okay, I already have that before. I'm just gonna check for other images. Okay, I'm just gonna upload this, and it is asking for the category name. This is gonna be cars. Hopefully we do not have that. And click on save. You can see it is being uploaded currently. And you can see now we have the cars over here. Seems really cool. Do not worry, you're going to learn on how to do all this from scratch. And you can see currently we have these cars, and click on it. We do not have any products yet for these cars. And remember we had uploaded under this product, sorry, under this laptop. And now you can see we have, and we can add to cart from this over here, and we can also click on this to see the detail. And over here you can see we can click on this to see more of the product description, but remember we did not add any long description for this. And also you can see this product will be shipping on this. You can see the delivery date the vendor had selected, and also you can see item left is 5. And also you can click on this to see the available size. And in the future, customers are going to be able to select product sizes. But currently, I'm yet to add this functionality. And also, we can scroll this way to see other images. Seems good. Seems really cool. And for now, I'm going to go back in order to show you some extra features you will also learn on how to implement. And for sure we can search for products, and now you can see we have this color on top of this cart icon, and this will basically tell we have a product in our cart. Seems good. And over here we have the account screen, and we have the buyer image displayed over here. We have the name of the buyer, the email of the buyer, the settings, we have the phone, cart, orders, and logart. And also we can choose to update our profile or edit our profile. We can choose to change our image to something else or leave it that way. We can also choose to change our name to something else. And also we can choose to add address. Seems really cool. I'm just going to go back and leave it that way. And also we can choose to select categories from the home screen. You can see we have this cars, and currently we do not have any products uploaded under this category yet. Seems good. And also we have the categories over here, and we have the cart screen over here, and we can choose to increment, that is we need 2 of this item. We can also choose to decrement, that is we need 1 of this item. We can also choose to clear this. Seems really cool. And I'm just going to add this back. We can as well add it from the detail page and cart screen. And now I'm going to click on checkout, and it is asking for the billing address. So now we have to click on this, and over here we then have to update our address. So number 1, this street of Sapele. Right. Let's go. And I'm going to click on update. I can also choose to update maybe the name and checkout. And we can not longer see that billing address because we just successfully added an address. And I'm going to click on order. Great, and the product has been successfully ordered. And maybe in the future we're going to have a payment method for this. Seems really cool. And accounts now, then orders. And you can see we have this order. We can click on this to see the order detail, and currently we need just 1 item of this product. The name of the product is this quantity, and the amount is $30.99, and currently it is not accepted. That means the vendor is yet to approve this order. And also you can see the date this product was ordered, 13/12/2022. Seems really cool. And what I just have to do is to log out and then log into that vendor account. That is the vendor who uploaded this product. You can see we have some other products over here. All this product was uploaded by another vendor, and you can see size, description, and this. I think only one image was uploaded, and you can see we have description over here. Seems cool, and we have the available size. Seems really cool, and item left 17. Do not worry, you will learn on how to implement all this. And now I'm just gonna log out, and Sonia store, Sonia. Okay, I think it is Sonia store one one at gmail.com, and the password is BEEJAYMAC, and I'm gonna click on sign in. And great, you can see now Sonia total NS is $30.99, and the total order is one, right? And Sonia can choose now to withdraw the NS, and you can see it's asking for the amount to withdraw. For the amount to withdraw, this is going to be 30, and for the bank name, maybe this, and for the bank name, maybe this bank account name. This is going to be Sonia store. Okay. And the account number, I'm just going to type something gibberish. This is basically for test. And collect. Seems good. And check the withdraw management section. And you can see we have Sonia store. Seems good. And also within our Firebase database, then the withdraw section. Uh, Search for this, and you can see we have Sony Store. The bank account number it's got saved within our Firebase database. Seems good. And go back, and now within the orders, we can check for orders. You can see currently it has not yet uh, been accepted, and the price is 30.99. And we can click on this to view more details. You can see we have more details about the customer. We have this buyer details, and Macaulay, and the address is number one, this, and the phone number is this, and they want just one item of this product. Seems good. And now we can choose to slide this way in order to either accept or reject. And I'm going to click on accept, and now you can see we then have the schedule delivering date. Seems good. And now we have this accepted over here. Seems really cool. Do not worry, you will learn on how to implement all this. And I'm just going to log out now and back to the customer account and test 123 at gmail.com, and the password is BEEJAYMAC, and log in to see what's going on there. And this and orders and accepted, you can see it has been accepted, and click on this. Now you're going to see the schedule delivery date. Seems really cool. And everything basically got changed to accepted, and seems good. And I'm going to log out and log into another vendor account, which basically the vendor that basically uploaded all these products you're seeing over here. Okay. Um, 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 Log out, then log in, Macaulay, sorry, the vendor, Okay, Macaulay famous at gmail.com, and the password is BEEJAYMSE, and sign in, and you can see total earnings for this vendor is $33.96, and the total order is 3. The vendor can also choose to withdraw, and also you can choose to upload new product, and also you can choose to edit his product, and you can choose to publish this, and it's going to be in the marketplace now, and you can also choose to delete this product, and you're not going to see it anymore in our app anymore. Seems good. And they can click on this and update whatsoever they want, the description of the product, the price, quantity, and brand name, and product name, and whatsoever. Seems really cool. Do not worry, you'll be able to do all this. And you can see the vendor has accepted just 2 products for delivering, and also they can choose to reject. And you can see also this icon got changed. You're going to learn on how to do all this, and they can choose to accept or reject and do whatsoever they want. And I can just choose to accept this, and you can see now we have the buyer details. The buyer details is Sonia, and the address is this, and the delivery date is this, and the quantity they want is this. Seems really cool. And for this, they need 2 of this item, and the buyer details is Sonia, another user entirely. Seems really cool. You're gonna learn on how to achieve all this by the end of this course, and you will learn about Firebase, Flutter, and Provider. And after this course, you have a more knowledge on how to implement all these features.